Unlocking the mystery. It's a closed book. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a particularly intriguing phrase. It's a closed book. Have you ever stumbled upon this expression and wondered what secrets it holds? Well, you're in for a treat because we're about to explore its meaning, usage, and origins. So, let's turn the page together and discover what lies beneath this enigmatic phrase. It's a closed book is a metaphorical expression used to describe something that is not easily understood, unknown, or no longer considered by someone. It can refer to a subject, an area of knowledge, or even a person's past that they do not wish to discuss or revisit. When we say something is a closed book, we're essentially saying it's sealed off, inaccessible, or beyond our comprehension or interest. To help you grasp how to use this phrase in real-life conversations, let's look at a few examples. Regarding knowledge, quantum physics is a closed book to me. I find it utterly baffling. Referring to the past, after moving to a new city, his previous life in London became a closed book. In relationships, she never talks about her childhood. It's a closed book. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, highlighting its applicability to various contexts where secrecy, complexity, or a deliberate choice to move on is involved. The phrase, "it's a closed book," originates from the literal act of closing a book after reading it, signifying the end of engagement with its content. This metaphor extends to imply that certain subjects or areas are closed off for discussion or understanding, just as a book is closed and put away after being read. The exact origin in terms of time or first usage is hard to pinpoint, but it's rooted in the rich tradition of using book-related metaphors to describe comprehension and engagement with knowledge or experiences. Understanding the phrase, "it's a closed book," adds a valuable tool to your English language arsenal, allowing you to express the complexities of knowledge, experiences, and relationships with a simple, yet powerful metaphor. We hope this video has opened up new avenues of understanding and expression for you. Remember, the beauty of language lies in exploring its depths and unlocking the meanings behind the words we use. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more linguistic mysteries together. Keep learning, and keep curious.